Hi everyone.
Hi, sir.
Hello, sir.
Can someone lead the prayer?
Bantoto, sir.
Okay, go on, Bantoto.
Let us put ourselves in the holy presence of the Lord as we all say in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Dear God, bless us in our school today. Help us grow in love and kindness more like Jesus every day. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Amen. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
For our attendance, I will be calling your last names, and if your last name is called, then you will respond "ooh" to me so that I will know if you are present or not. Understood?
Yes,
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 sir.
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 Okay, let's start. Awing,
Ooh.
Bantoto,
Ooh.
Parong.
Ooh.
Perfect. Everyone is present. Okay, students, I would like you to say your family name if you want to answer any question. And please do not hesitate to ask question if you do not understand something in our discussion. Are we clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now before we go on with our class, can anybody tell me about our topic last time?
Awing, sir.
Okay, Awing.
Our topic last time, sir, was about rational algebraic expressions, sir, where we identify and illustrate them.
Very good. I think you learned much. Okay, now I will be sharing my screen. We will be starting our class. Now let's have our motivation. So motivation time. Let's have an activity to awaken your spirits. This activity is called Wheel of Problems. I will be giving problems using a wheel, and upon answering problems, I would like you to simplify them into single fractions. You will be answering only 5 problems, and I will give you 1 minute for each problem. Then type your answers in the comment box or Google Meet chat box. Is that alright, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any question? Violent reaction?
None, sir.
If none, then let's start. So this is our wheel of problems. So let's start wheel. Stop. So we have one. You'll have to type your answer in the chat box. 2/3 plus 1/3. Okay, I see the answer of Bantoto and Awing and Parong. Correct. You answered 1, so the answer is 1. Very good. Now, that's the first problem. The second problem is stop problem number 6. So 2 over 5 plus 1/3. What's the answer? Two over 5 plus 1/3. Okay, I see the answers of Bantoto and Awing. So the answer is 11 over 15. Very good. Now, the third problem. And stop. Problem number 3. 1/2 plus 1/3. 1/2 plus 1/3. What will be the answer? 1/2 plus 1/3. Okay, so I see the answers of Bantoto, Awing, and Parong. Their answers are 5 over 6. So 5 over 6 is the correct answer. Let's have our fourth problem, which is the problem number... No, we're done with problem number 3. Problem number 8. 7 over 3 plus 3/4. 7 over 3 plus 3/4. What would be the answer? Seven over 3 plus 3/4. I saw the answer of Bantoto, 37 over 12. And Awing, 37 over 12. The answer is 37 over 12. Very good. Now, the fifth problem. The fifth problem is problem number 9. Problem number 9. 2/3 plus 4/5. 2/3 plus 4/5. 22 over 15 for Awing's answer. Let's see the answer. 22 over 15. Very good. So that is the last problem. Nice job, everyone. So, how did you solve the activity? Anyone?
Bantoto, sir.
Okay, Bantoto?
By applying the rule in addition of fraction with the same denominator and with different denominators, sir.
Very good. How about adding fractions if they have the same denominator?
Awing, sir.
Go on, Awing.
Copy the common denominator and add the numerator, sir.
Correct. Now, what if the denominator is different or are different?
Parong, sir.
Okay, Parong?
Finding the LCD, sir.
Very good, by finding the LCD. But before that, let us first know the objectives that we must attain at the end of the lesson. So our topic is all about addition of rational algebraic expression. Anyone who wants to read the learning objectives?
Bantoto, sir.
Okay, go on, Bantoto.
Learning objectives. First, state the rule of addition in a fraction. Second, perform addition of rational algebraic expressions. And lastly is to develop accuracy in adding rational algebraic expressions.
Yes, thank you, Regine Bantoto. But first, I want to test if you are really good in adding fractions. Now, add the following rational algebraic expression. So, this is the first one. Can someone answer this?
Bantoto, sir.
Okay, Bantoto, what's the answer?
2 over y, sir.
2 over y. Correct. It's 2 over y. 1 over 2y plus 3 over 2y is equal to 2 over y because 4 over 2y, if i-simplify, mahimo pa siyang 2 over y. Next one, 4x over x minus 1 plus y over x minus 1. Anyone?
Awing, sir.
Okay, Awing?
It's 4x plus y over x minus 1, sir.
Very good, Awing. So the answer is 4x plus y over x minus 1 because they have the same denominator. How about the number 3? 7 over 3x plus 3x over 4y.
Parong, sir.
Okay, Parong, go on.
The answer is 9x squared plus 28y over 12xy.
Very good. So the answer is 9x squared plus 28y over 12xy. So let's see the answer of 1 and 2. So that is 1 over 2y plus 3 over 2y equals 2y, and the number 2 is 4x plus y over x minus 1. So how did you add the problems in 1 and 2?
Bantoto, sir.
Okay, Bantoto?
Since we have noticed that 1 and 2 had the same denominator, for 1 we have 2y and for 2 we have x minus 1. Therefore, we can just simply copy the common denominator and add the numerator.
Very good. So, copy the common denominator and add the numerator. Then, how about this? Number 3. How about the problem number 3? How did you add
Awing,
that?
sir.
Okay, Awing.
By looking for the least common denominator, sir.
Very good. By looking for the LCD. The LCD is 12xy. How did you obtain its LCD? Parong.
By using the rule in finding the less common denominator, sir.
Correct. By using the rule in finding the LCD. So the rule of adding rational algebraic expressions is the same as adding fractions. So let's dig a little deeper. Anyone who can read this slide?
Awing, sir.
Go on, Awing.
Okay. So, to add rational algebraic expressions, follow the rule in adding fraction. That is, you add with the same denominator directly and add new numerator and copy the denominator. Then simplify the result.
Thank you, Awing. So let's have some examples. So we have the first example. 2 over 3y plus 1 over 3y is equal to, since they have the same denominator, we have 3y here, then 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 over 3y. But then, ang 3 over 3y, kay ma-simplify pa man siya, so it is equal to 1 over y. So, muna siya ang first example. Second example is, gikan siya dito sa gi-answera ninyo, diagnostic kaniha. It's 4x over x minus 1 plus y over x minus 1. Again, same raman siya og denominator, so x minus 1 ra ang ibutang nato sa denominator. Then sa 4x plus y, di man siya pareho og variable, so dili siya nato pwede sa gulon. Pero pwede nato siya masulat as 4x plus y. So muna siya ang rule sa pagbulong og naay same denominator sa rational algebraic expression. Now for the next slide, kindly read it, Parong.
Yes, sir. To add rational algebraic expressions, follow the rule in adding fraction. That is, to add with different denominator, find the LCD, and simplify the result.
Thank you, Parong. So let's have this example. So 7 over 3x plus 3x over 4y. So first, we need to find the LCD. So since ang pinakasayon nga pagbulong sa LCD is multiplying the denominator. So 3x times 4y. Here, i-multiply nato si 3x and 4y, mahimo siya 12xy. Then 12xy divided by 3x is equal to 4y times 7. So 4y times 7. Then 12xy divided by 4y is equal to 3x. Multiplied by 3x. So we have this answer, the final answer. 9x squared plus 28y over 12xy. So muna siya ang atong examples. So any question, class?
None, sir.
Okay, if there is none, then let's have a little activity to check your understanding of the lesson. You have 4 minutes to do it. Look at the screen. So this is the activity. Add the following rational algebraic expression. So your answers, please comment it in the chat box. Okay?
Noted, sir.
Are you done answering? Okay? I am seeing the answers of Bantoto and Awing. Number 2, 25 over A plus 16 over B. Now I am seeing the answers of Parong for number 1 and number 2. So Parong, what is your answer in number 1?
My answer, sir, in number 1 is 12 over x.
Very good. It's 12 over X. That is the correct answer. Bantoto, what is your answer in number 2?
My answer in number 2, sir, is 16A plus 25B over AB.
Very good. So the answer for number 2 is 16A plus 25B all over AB. So, muni siya ang answer. Very good, everyone. Since you already have the gist in adding the rational algebraic expressions, let's have a real life problem. So this rational algebraic expression has many applications in our daily living. So consider this problem. Jose estimates that he can do a job in 12 hours, while his brother Joel estimates that he can do a job in 15 hours. How long would it take them to finish the job if they work together? You have 5 minutes to answer. You can now answer.
Awing, sir. I'll try, sir.
Okay, Awing, what is your answer?
It's 6.67 hours, sir.
Very good. It is 6.67 hours. So how did you obtain the answer? I want Bantoto to explain to me.
Okay, sir. So it states that Joel estimates that he can do a job in 12 hours, while his brother Joel estimates that he can do a job in 15 hours. So the question is, how long would it take them to finish the job if they work together? So all that we have to do is to add the given numbers of r. So we will have 1 over 12 plus 1 over 5. And the sum of these two fractions will be the total of hours that if they will work together. Since we still don't know the total number of hours, so we will use the variable t to be the variable that represents the total number of hours if they work together. And then now we have 90 over 9 is equal to 60 over 9, and then we simplify it. Then we have the time if they together is 6.67.
Very good, Bantoto. You're so good in solving problems. And Awing and Parong, you are all very good. Perfect. So, let's have a quick review of our lesson. This will tell me if you really understood the topic we just discussed. What I have learned. So first question, how to add rational algebraic expression with the same denominator? Anyone?
Parang, sir.
Okay, Parong, how to add rational algebraic expression with the same denominator?
So to add rational algebraic expression with the same denominator is to copy the common denominator and add the numerator, and then reduce the answer to the lowest term.
Very good. So you need to copy the common denominator and add the numerator, reduce the answer to the lowest term, or simplify. Very good. It's correct. Next question. How about if the denominators are different? Awing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Um, Apply the rule, sir. Apply the rule in addition of rational algebraic expressions with different denominators.
Very good. Or in simple terms, find the LCD. Correct. That's all correct. Now, we will have our evaluation. This is to test you if you really understood, you get everything what we have learned. So, answer the following problems in a sheet of paper and simplify to the lowest term. After answering, put the letters on the blanks indicated by your answer. So, first, isolve sa ninyo ni nga mga problems. Then, naa ang answer diri sa pikas. So, dapat inyo lang kung ano ang answer dinhi, kung sakto ba or dili. Then, after that, mubalhin ta dinhi. Mubalhin ta dinhi kay para ansiran ninyo kung unsa nga letter tong dapat ibutan diri. And, i-chat sa chat box ang inyong answer, aning blank, if kabalay sakto na ba jud inyong answer. Then, ang inyong solutions kay picture para i-send later sa Google Classroom. Are we clear with that?
Yes, sir. Noted, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
very good. Now, solve these problems. Just tell me if you are done, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, are you done?
Yes, sir. I'm done, sir.
Very good, Awing.
Not yet, sir.
Oh, I'm seeing the answer of Awing in the chat box.
Done ako, sir.
Very good, Parong. How about you, Bantoto? Very good. So everyone is done. So your answers here are in the chat box and your solution will be pasted in the Google Classroom later. Now let's have the assignment. So your assignment is to create one word problem in the real life situation which involves the use of adding rational algebraic expressions. So write your work on a piece of paper with a solution and answer to the word problem. Take a clear picture, then send it to our Google Classroom. So, any question about the assignment?
None,
Okay,
sir.
very good. So that would be all for today. Thank you, everyone. I hope you learned much.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Prepared and edited by Periscal, Jerry A.